with Papa Arapati in his old house.
Oh, okay, why not?
The other one. Oh, sorry. There's boy in the house.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful house. It's a lady's house that passed away.
Yeah, Connie's. Mama Connie.
Look at that. Look at the ceremony.
Tell them.
Ceremony. The money. Father, we got no church clothes. What kind of that? Oh, we'll check it out. If I see that truck that I hired one me and Auntie Lulu and them came down, I saw it to you. I hop in,
There's the budget.
the driver's seat, the passenger seat, or my seat, it went straight to the back. We nearly had an accident. And then the next time,
Right there.
they stopped in them's place.
There's Uncle Oro.
Okay.
There's Uncle Oro. Oh, there's Uncle Oro.
Do the camera.